Are you recording? Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Reza. Today we're going to look at one of the very common topics in the IELTS exam, which is agreement and disagreement types of topics. I have written the question here, as you can see. In some countries, an increasing number of people are suffering from health problems as a result of eating too much fast food. It is therefore necessary for governments to impose a higher tax on this kind of food. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? So, as you can see, this question is asking your opinion and your agreement or your disagreement on this topic. It doesn't matter if you agree or disagree. IELTS does not test your intelligence and your opinion. So you should be able to develop your answer in your essay and to follow a specific structure. There's no specific templates, but I can help you with some hints today as to how to approach these types of questions. Okay, when you read the question, in fact, you have to identify the focus or the keywords in the question first. All right, so it says, in some countries, an increasing number of people are suffering from health problems as a result of eating too much fast food. So it's eating too much fast food and health problems because of eating too much fast food. It is therefore necessary for governments to impose a higher tax on this kind of food. So the food are already being taxed, but the suggestion is that there should be higher taxes on this type of food. So what we do for the introduction today that I'm going to teach is you paraphrase this question first. Sorry. You paraphrase it. That's your first step. Or you sometimes, as we say it, you provide a background statement. And then you mention your position as to whether you agree or disagree with this opinion. And you write a thesis statement. The thesis statement is that specific idea or the point that you will later develop in the body of the work. So let's see how we could paraphrase this question and then write our position plus the thesis statement. Pause it.